Hello, everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to learn the English names of some common kitchen utensils that cooks and chefs use every day. Learning kitchen vocabulary is a great way to improve your English while doing everyday activities. Let's see how many kitchen utensils we have to learn today. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Colander. A perforated bowl used for draining liquids. Whisk. A wire kitchen utensil used for beating, whisking, and blending eggs, cream, or butter. Spatula. A flat tool used for flipping, turning, and scraping food. Ladle. A deep spoon used for serving soups, stews, sauces, and other liquids. Grater. A tool used for grating or shredding food into small pieces. Saucepan. A deep pan with a long handle used for boiling, heating, or cooking liquids. Skillet. A flat frying pan used for frying, searing, and browning food. Pestle. A tool used for crushing and grinding herbs and spices. Mortar. A bowl used with a pestle for crushing and grinding herbs and spices. Cleaver. A large, heavy knife used for chopping meat and cutting through bones. Sieve. A fine mesh tool used for straining liquids or sifting dry ingredients. Peeler. A tool used for removing the skin or peel from fruits and vegetables. Mandoline. A kitchen tool used for slicing fruits and vegetables into even slices. Tongs. A tool used for gripping, lifting, and turning hot food. Carafe. A glass container used for serving water, juice, wine, and other beverages. Ramekin. A small dish used for baking and serving individual portions. Rolling pin. A cylindrical tool usually with handles on both ends, used for rolling out and flattening dough. Crockery. Ceramic dishes such as plates, bowls, or cups used for serving or eating food. Cutlery. Knives, forks, and spoons used for eating and serving food. Zester. A tool used for removing the fine outer peel, zest, or citrus fruits.